Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the apps and notifications, then go for the advanced, tap on the permission manager, and for example we can change the location info. And right now we got here apps that are allow with the location. Google Chrome is only allow when we are using this application, and all the rest are denied. So we can grant permission to the location for the Facebook. So enter, click allow all the time or allow only while using the app. Just depends of your own preferences. And after that we can just simply close it. So that's how we can grant the permission for the apps. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.